Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this VEVOR stair climbing cart. Here's everything that comes in the box. We've got our hardware. I'm going to show you how to assemble it. So the first thing we're going to do is we got to find these are reinforcement pieces. They're going to go here. See how the two holes are going to line up with the two holes right there. Then you're going to find these bolts. And then this will slide in. There's a little groove. And I've got this black part up here and with the sticker. And now this will slide in that groove. It's a little tight, but I had to use two hands. Now you're going to find these brackets. One goes for one side, one goes for the other. And if you need help getting those holes aligned, use this screwdriver. You can put it in the hole and line up the holes. Okay, the bolts are going to go in and then they're going to be held with this fastener. And that fastener this bracket looks like this. Straight edge. I'm using a 1/2 inch and I'm going to tighten down those nuts. Okay, now that those are installed, you're going to take this shaft and insert it, and then you want to take a cotter pin and you're going to put it in the hole inside the frame. But we need to bend the cotter pin. Okay, so I bent the cotter pins. Now you're going to take a washer and put it on each side. All right, take the wheel assembly now, insert it. Now I would think you'd put a washer and then a cotter pin if you've got room. Now the manual doesn't say to put that washer, but I was able to put a washer on both sides, and then you're just going to bend that cotter pin so it doesn't get in your way. Now we're left with 3 parts that go on the top handle. The bottom part is all done now. It rolls real good. Okay, so we're left with the bottom part's all done now, and we've got 3 parts. Put this handle on first and line up these holes. Okay, it took a little messing around with, but this part goes on the inside, this handle, and then this handle. And then you'll tighten these screws. That's what this other part's for. This is the Allen to hold that. It does come with this little tool. It says 13 and 10, but I found 1/2 inch fits it just right. Okay, the VEVOR cart is all together. Let's do some measuring so it stands. Right at 5 feet, 60.5 inches tall. You know, to the first handle is about 52. Width, 18, well, almost 18 inches. Now front to back, it's about 21 inches front to back. So it rolls real easy, turns. We'll check it out going up and down stairs. But so far, so good. Okay, let's try it with nothing on it. Yeah, it actually works really well with nothing on it. We'll try it with a load. Okay, let's go down the stairs with this robot vacuum. It's really heavy. Okay, that was super easy. Turning it is a little tricky. All right, we're gonna go down a stair. Woo! The first little bit is kind of tricky. Okay, you can stop.